Okay, folks, I don't know what it is, but I'm hoping it's good. Ignore that. I got this box from GP Bikes, and I don't even know what it is. The reason I don't know what it is, I've ordered so much stuff from GP Bikes over the last little bit, but I don't know which one this is for. Got lots of bubble. Oh, I know what it is now. SW-MOTECH Pro Rear Bag. Pretty cool. Nice storage bag for the bag. Now, for those of you that don't know, I'm picking up my bike in 2 weeks. And so I'm getting ready for the ride, which means I need to be able to take trips, pack a bunch of stuff to take with me. But the bike that I have, which is a Ducati Monster 1200S, does not have a lot of options for carrying stuff. But this seemed to be, and it looks like a awesome choice for what I need. What do you think? Quality is amazing. I really hesitated in buying this because it's not cheap. But ladies and gentlemen, this is quality. I saw a lot of videos of this online, and it looked good, but you know, you just never know what it's like until you get it yourself and you touch and feel and all that good stuff. So this is like a hard plastic, like still pliable. It's got a nice foamy, felty kind of terry cloth-ish inside, so nice and soft there. Great pocket here for putting fast access items. And this is your entrance into the actual bag. We got our rain cover to make it fully waterproof. We got our clips to adhere everything together. We have this, which I'm not sure what it is, but I'll figure that out in a little bit. Oh, this is interesting because I was worried about this. Looks like this is something that you put on your actual tailpiece if you're not putting it on the seat, so that it doesn't scratch your tailpiece on your bike. That's a good idea. I'm not sure if I'm going to take my tailpiece off and just put it on the seat, or put this on the tailpiece. You know what? I'll probably leave the tailpiece on. Yeah, because I really like the way it looks with the tailpiece on. We got side pockets, and in other videos I'm sure they told you about these little clippies to keep your zipper tails from flopping around in the wind. Very adequate space. And that's found on both sides. Awesome. This is an awesome bag. The other thing I like is it's fairly compact, but gives you the option to increase its size. Oh, it goes the other way. You can increase the bag size by unzipping an extension, which gives you about another 3 inches of lift on that. Yeah, that's good. And then you can just undo this strap, loosen it off so it goes up higher, and the whole thing will rise up like that. Give you some instant expansion. That's good. Sweet bag. Well done. Good job. I think this is a keeper. I'm also I'm going to be looking at a tank bag when I pick up my bike and get it certified in a couple weeks. And yeah, this is a sweet looking bag. Definitely don't believe I will be taking this back. This was a good purchase. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and all that wonderful stuff. It was a pleasure doing this for you. Hope to do a lot more. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.